So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to convert crypto and Revolut. So it's pretty simple, and actually it was not simple to find it, but I heard that Revolut does not have a swap option, but it says here you can convert to Bitcoin to Euro directly in app along with 210 tokens. So you will have to do a market order basically for whatever you're trying to swap. So when it comes to the swap feature, it's like just doing a buy order or a market order. So it's not like Binance and Bybit where you have a convert button that's dedicated for it. So you will have to do a market order. So let's just say you're gonna do Bitcoin to Euro. You will have to convert it basically by doing a trade basically. So you will have to go to your crypto trading panel and then look for the pair Bitcoin and Euro, and then you will have to initiate a trade right there. So that's how you would do it basically. So it's just that simple. So as you can see right here, it only works usually for Bitcoin and Ethereum only, because Revolut is really strict when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And there you go.